Old school crew.
Yeah, ladies, I know you're tired of the same old thing. Things have become so mundane. I mean, your bedroom is just so cold. It's so cold, but I'm here to tell you, I got you. We got to keep it up.
Hear me now.
Let's go.
Girl, get comfortable. Baby, not the usual. Ride to roll with it, baby. I'ma make you feel like you never felt. Girl, up because you let me get unpredictable.
Let's go.
That untold story. By my island king who fell in love before it. Well, he was never ever satisfied. He was raised on that island vibe. But I'm never gonna water down his glory. It's necessary that my warrior adores me. Please don't take it personal. Problems of a brown skinned girl. Well, I'm not knocking all my foreign queens, I love you. If it's you he loves, and ain't no one above you. We're a dying breed, and I'm just trying to preserve our culture and bloodline. So don't take my words and twist them or distort it, or push that propaganda for them to ignore me. Please don't take it personal. Problems of a brown skinned girl. You never have to worry about how I feel about you. Yeah, you know I got you. Baby, if you just paid attention to my actions every time I'm around you. Yeah, you know I got you. See, I was put on this earth to love you only and no other. I got you. You're the missing piece to my puzzle, my best friend, my husband, my lover. And I love you forever.
Now listen closely, this is how the story goes. I fell in love and gave my heart to someone close. I thought we were change up an island soldier. Oh my. But then I found a queen who always hold it down. She'd be a queen with or without a crown. Baby, it's you. And I'ma love you forever. Now to my fellow island kings, when you find her, love her first and put everything behind her. Cause she becomes like the pupil in your eyes. Gotta protect her from whatever comes inside.